Texas tornado match. There is no referee in the ring. No rules. No qualification.
I will rip them apart, chew them up,
in the ring at the same
spit them
time.
out at their fangs.
Palestina and I are gonna cut the TNA off of Tina and Ashley.
Palestina. Her partner from Corpus Christi, Texas, Attache.
I wanna hear bones breaking and lips twisting, and I wanna see mutilated bodies.
Palestina here, praying to Mecca. She wants silence in the audience. Palestina requests silence.
Tina and Ashley will meet their
Palestina wants
today.
complete
They are
silence.
fighting my kind of match, a match with no rules. I can do today that I wish and I will.
Yes, indeed, that's no shit. A bruise on the rules like Attache. A kick in the back, push in the first. Keep your eye on me, or you will be hurt.
Their opponents today at a combined weight of 243 pounds from Beverly Hills, California.
Tell me, what do you desire? That's what Red's Rock is in Ohio. All you gotta do is come cheer me up, and I'll treat you to Don't Carry On. Cartier, Beverly Hills is where I play. I may be pretty, very rich. Get me mad and be a witch.
Even though we're not Beverly and he's still nervous, so wait a minute. Is the plane good enough to check it again? Is it gonna be great?
Tina, what would you like?
You need to tell the lovely people why we're fighting a Texas tornado match.
A Texas tornado match, as many of the people know, no rules, no regulations, no referee. Frank D'Amato is on the outside. His only interference will be to administer a pin, a 3 count.
But David, the money.
The money, there's $10,000 to the winners. Each team put up $5,000. It's a winner take all. 10,000 big ones to the winner.
People, even though we're well off, that doesn't mean money still isn't a motivation. No rules, right?
No rules. It's a Texas tornado match. Anything goes. Tina and Ashley, take it over right now. Fans, we have it for you. Palestina and Attache. Palestina, the desert rat. Attache, the mean marine. In there against the Beverly Hills sweetheart. Ashley and Tina. And Ashley's taking a pounding, baby. It's so Tina Ferrari right now. By Attache and Palestina. Look at Palestina right there. The desert rat, as they call it, that terrorist. Oh, baby, pounding the head of the beauties together. Texas tornado match. As you noted, anything goes, Daddy. Each team hit up 5,000. Somebody's walking out here tonight with 10,000 big ones, baby. Palestina, I understand it. Put up all the cash money, Daddy, for her team. That's right, Palestina put up all the dough. And why not? She comes from that rich, wealthy Arab country that has all the oil. She's got terrorist money, Palestina. And I understand she paid Attache to be her partner. Palestina fought Attache. just like that terrorist buy everything. Attache sold out. She sold her soul. Attache is now a mercenary, taking money to fight. But of course, Attache hates Tina and Ashley anyway, so it's easy money. Palestina over there spitting on Ashley. Attache holding the legs of Tina. Could be a pin. Kamado on the outside. It's a Texas tornado match. He's not allowed to get inside the ring. He's going to be on the outside. He's being distracted by Aunt Kitty. Full Nelson applied by Ashley as she pulls Palestina from her partner, Tina Ferrari. Tina Ferrari, baby. Lighten up America as well as the world with that cute smile and that fashionable wrestling style of hers. Attache on top of the back of Ashley right now. Palestina pushing Attache off. I don't know if Attache and Palestina get along that well, but they have one common cause here, to beat up on Tina and Ashley. Tina and Ashley both having their foreheads massaged against that top rope. Attache pulling out the drum. Tina and Ashley, two girls that don't like to take a beating, especially with their back turned. Palestina, the terrorist. She's been out on the road with the Globe Tour. That's unfortunate for a disc jockey in Mobile, Alabama by the name of Ty Bell, where he stepped into the ring in Mobile at the Municipal Auditorium in Palestina, beat him up, man. Gave Ty Bell a licking he'll never forget. Tina and Ashley coming away, both of them with the headlock. Might be powerful, but I bet it's clean. Tina Ferrari and Ashley giving a kick in the forehead of Palestina and Attache. It's a four-way. Backdrop, baby. Palestina feeling the pain from the spine right to her toes. And now to her fingertip. And Tina Ferrari smashing those fingertips of Palestina. Ashley and Palestina rolling to the outside. They're dangling at the feet of the front row. Patrons of the Riviera Hotel suplex. Delivered to Attache by Tina Ferrari. Possible pin here. Attache being locked up. Kamado in the ring. It's a 3 count. Tina Ferrari, baby, grabs the pin. Palestina. The winner of the match, Tina Ferrari and Ashley. Palestina picks up that chair. Put down that chair. Palestina, drop this down, the match is over. Tina Ferrari, are you alright? Palestina, stop it, the match is over. The match is over. The match is ended. Ashley is fighting Attache on the outside. Ashley and Attache, oh my! Attache, right into the wall! Right into the wall! Down she goes! Americana's come in! Americana's breaking up the action! Palestina! Americana seeing it! Her friend Tina Ferrari!
My name is Michael. I'd like to
here. But
Well, my money!
you guys are the winners of the tornado match and the $10,000 that goes along with it. Winner take all. Here you go, girls. $10,000. Tina Ferrari. Palestina, grab that chair next to me. Americana, she had no right doing that.
Absolutely had no right doing that. She shouldn't have even been in here with the chair, David. I don't even know how she got in the ring with that chair.
David, we're winners. 10,000! Get down! Yeah!
I'm just glad that I can help out my friends when they needed me.
Americana helping out the winners here. Tina Ferrari and Ashley Cartier, the winners of $10,000. We'll be back in a moment with more of Blow Gorgeous Ladies of Wrestling.
How to get the man you want. Try wearing a little perfume to enhance your natural allure. It's a sure bet to attract a man's attention, and you can think of it as just showing off your good sense.
Dear Cousin Cora, the big city is really different from Hog Hollow. Back home, the biggest building was the church, and that's only because it had a steeple. Here, all the buildings are big, and another thing, they all have indoor plumbing. It took me a while to figure that out. They forgot to put a half moon over the door. Anyway, one guy must have the same room as the Queen of England. I heard him yell he had a royal flush. Good Lord watch over us all. Love, Sally.
Vladimir, where are you? Texas. Ah, what is happening there? Checking on secret missile site. But the general told us there are no missiles in Texas. What do you mean I am wrong? You heard about the shooting of Houston Rockets? Vladimir, you have not been